Actually, this may be a snapping turtle.
Let's see. Oh,
He got upset. I'm not gonna mess with him anymore.